This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold. I'll be doing the analysis from the higher time frame to lower time frame, and we'll be sharing you the current trend of the market and present support and resistance levels for the price action. Please use it as a reference for deciding on your entry and exit. It's not a trading advice. Let us look at the economic calendar for today. Today is May 18th, Wednesday, and when we look at the economic calendar, we have a high impacting news for Australian dollar at 7 a.m. Then at 11:30 a.m. we have high impacting news for British pound. Otherwise we have low impacting news for British pound coming up. Again at 6 p.m. we have high impacting news for Canadian dollar, followed by medium impacting news, then low impacting news. We don't have any high impacting news for American dollar related currency pairs. So make your trade plans based on this economic calendar news schedule. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, previously the price action formed a double bottom pattern, and from this level over here it started going on a bullish trend, and it has completed its double bottom pattern. Now currently it is in a retracement. So this is where the actual bullish trend started for this rally, and currently when we notice the price action, it has almost completed its 100% retracement of this bullish rally. And when we draw a trend line to understand the current trend of the price action, from here it started its bullish trend. So from this trend line we can understand that the price action is trading above this support line or the trend line. So considering the bullish rally from this point, it is still on a bullish trend. It has not broken this support line or trend line. As long as it doesn't break this support line, we can expect the price action to take support on this trend line and to bounce back on the bullish rally. And when we analyze the overall retracement level using the Fibonacci's retracement tool, from here it started its bullish trend. We can notice that it is trading between 61.80% and 78.60%. It is a valid support level in Fibonacci's retracement tool. As long as the price action doesn't break these levels, we can expect the price action to bounce back on the bullish side from this level. When we mark the support and resistance levels for the current price action, so these are all going to be the support levels and this is going to be the resistance level. And looking at the current price action, it has not broken the previous resistance level of 1830. So first it has to break this resistance level in order to jumpstart its bullish trend reversal. It has touched and then bounced back on the bearish trend reversal, and again we are seeing a green candle being formed over here. Let us wait and see if this green candle breaks these resistance levels and makes a trend reversal. Currently it is still continuing on its downtrend. We can notice a downtrend, then a pullback, again downtrend, again pullback, and currently also it has gone on a downtrend. It is on a pullback. Only when it breaks the previous high, we can get the confirmation that it has started its trend reversal. There are more chances that it can continue its downtrend. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame also, it is in a very nice downtrend. I have drawn the resistance lines over here. We can clearly notice that it has taken resistance on the lower level of resistance line and it has bounced back on the bearish trend reversal. So the price action has to break this resistance level of 1831 in order to start is bullish trend reversal. Again I have drawn one more resistance line from where in the past we have noticed price action bouncing back. So it has to break next level of resistance line also in order to get the confirmation on the bullish trend reversal. So the price action in hourly time frame is also in a very strong downtrend. And to fall further, it has to break the higher time frame support level of 1780 to 1757. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. The values in blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for the current price action in hourly time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now. We know that the current price action is trading between the resistance and support line from the hourly time frame. Previously the price action was in a very nice bullish trend and took resistance from this higher time frame resistance level and the trend line from the hourly time frame, and it is on a bearish trend reversal. And when we draw a trend line to check the current trend of the price action in 30 minutes time frame, I am connecting all the highs over here. We can notice that the price action has broken this trend line or support line and it has again tested this resistance line, and currently we are noticing a red candle being formed over here. So from this price action we can understand that this resistance line is being respected and we are seeing a bearish trend reversal in 30 minutes time frame. So if the bearish trend reversal continues, we can expect it to take support on the hourly time frame trend line or the support line. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. The values in blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis for 5 minutes time frame. I'm in 5 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action, we can clearly notice that it has broken the previous low of 1823 and it is in a very nice downtrend. Presently it has gone on a bullish trend reversal to retest on this 30 minutes time frame resistance line. Wait for the price action to bounce back from this resistance line. Once the price action breaks this support line, we can take trades on the bearish side, because overall trend from the higher time frame is on a bearish side. So I would recommend you to take trades based on the higher time frame trend. Only when the price action breaks this higher time frame resistance level of 1830, we can expect the bullish trend reversal in gold. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading on a sideways between the resistance level of 1818 and support level of 1812. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.